Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some chic short hairstyle ideas. So first up, we see this beautiful bob transformation. So the hair is being cut with a razor for this particular cut, creating lots of dimension and texture within her strands. Looks like she has beautiful angled bangs with this transformation as well. And she also has the fluffy eyebrow trend going on with the brows. Beautiful. The stylist was able to create this gorgeous kind of feather technique with the way that he cut and styled the hair. Beautiful transformation. So then we move on to look number 2. So it looks like she's also going to be getting a bob haircut as well as some color. The stylist is doing a very blunt jaw length style bob. So look number 3 features a beautiful angled bob with blonde money piece highlights going there in the front. This is a great hairstyle. It combines two very popular trends in one. And then we see someone with very long waist length hair getting their hair cut into a bob. So she ended up getting a classic jaw length bob, off center part, and waves. Then we see someone else who does have the money piece highlights going, and she was able to get a nice bob haircut. And then we see one of my favorite stylists. She's going to be adding in some beautiful layers with this. Looks like she's going to be doing the wolf cuts. So I recently did a whole video talking about the wolf cut trend and why it is so popular. Definitely be sure to check it out if you haven't done so already. This is a great option if you want a hairstyle that is retro, that has been made modern once again. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. Be sure to hit that like button if you haven't done so already. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.